guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm continuing my declutter series and moving on to my lipsticks. When I looked at my lipstick collection I realised that I would need to do my lipsticks and liquid lipsticks in two separate parts because I have so many. I justify this as I buy lipsticks to stop myself buying eyeshadow palettes, and in most cases lipsticks are cheaper than eyeshadow palettes. But I seem to have quickly amassed a rather large lipstick and also mascara collection, which will come very soon because a few of them could probably do with getting rid of. So this is the little box that I store my lipsticks in, and this is part of one of my Birchbox boxes, so it's like a little drawer, and this is what I use to store my lipsticks in. I will probably do some swatches for these lipsticks to decide whether I want to keep them or not, so let's get into it. Okay, starting with this one, which is an Essence Sheer and Shine, and this is just shade number 3. So this is a really nice pink colour, but it is, as the name says, quite sheer. So let's just do a swatch there. It's quite a warm pink and it is quite moisturising and it does last quite a while, so I think I will keep hold of that. Next is another Essence one, and this is Long Lasting in the shade 26. Now this is a much paler one, and if I remember rightly this makes me look a bit half dead. See, it's like a mauvey undertones. It doesn't swatch great, and I think the shade isn't great on me and it does make me look a bit, so I think I will that one on, put that on the side. Next we have, these are the Smashbox Be Legendary lipsticks. I have 6 of these. I am going to keep all 6, but I will just do a little swatch of each one for you. So this is the shade Witchy, which is a purpley brown shade, which is quite dark on the lips. Then we have Famous, which is a light nude. Then we have Legendary, which is a pinky toned red. It does look redder on the lips, but that's probably because of the colour of my lips behind it. Next we have Fig, which is a really nice purpley shade. I've never been one to wear purple lipsticks, but out of the 6 in this collection I think this is one of my favourites, so we'll definitely not be parting with that. And then we have Audition, which is a more browny toned nude. I've just realised that I don't have the shade Primrose here, which is a really lovely dusky pink shade, but I'm definitely keeping that one, so I don't need to swatch that one. Now we have a NYX Lip Smacking Fun Colours, and I don't know what shade, oh there we go, and that is in the shade Paparazzi. This is quite a bright pink. I have worn this a few times, but I don't tend to go for, yeah, that's a real baby pink. I just don't think I wear that type of pink anymore. I tend to go for dusky pinks now, so I will put that there. Then we have this Colour Trend Rocking Nude from Avon. I think this is one of the first nudes I bought, but it's more of a goldy nude. And that is very sheer. Don't think I'll keep that one. Then we have this NYC Expert Last, and this is in the shade Red Rapture, and as you can see this has been well used. This was one of the first red shades I ever bought, and I think I did actually get this in New York. It's quite similar to the Smashbox one actually, but this has been well worn, so I think it's probably overdue to be binned, so I'll get rid of that one. Then we have another NYC one, and this is in the shade Violet Shine. This one has seen better days also. Not too sure about that. Slightly purpley, a bit darker than that one. See, the lipstick itself is a bit... No, I'll get rid of it. I've probably got enough pinks there. I'll get rid of that one. Next we have this Studio Makeup Shimmering Sands. So this is like a golden nude. I just love the packaging of this though, because you press that and it pops out. I think that's why I've kept it for so long, because it is gold and I never wear gold lipstick. Don't know why I own gold lipstick, but the packaging was pretty funky, so I kept hold of it. Yeah, that's just gold, so I'm not going to wear that. Fortunately, the cool packaging will have to go. This little one. And this is a little Burberry lipstick, and this is a bright red. I think I've used this once because it's probably a really expensive one and I've never wanted to actually use it, but I am going to keep hold of it. And it says it's in military red. And this is really nice packaging. Next we have this Essence one, and this is a velvet matte. This is the one that making me look dead, I've just realised. This is like a, again, like a mauvey pinky nude colour. So I'm going to pass that because I know it doesn't look good. But now I'm thinking I might keep that one because I somehow thought it was that one. I knew it was an Essence lipstick. So I may keep this one. I'm still getting rid of a few, it's fine. Right, now we have a Barry M, and this is just in either shade 164 or 614. And this is a orangey pink, maybe? Yeah, that's a really nice colour. It's a nice colour. I think I'll keep that one. I think I like the formula on these as well. And we have one more Essence, which is in the shade number 7. This is quite a... It looks lighter in person than it does on camera. Yeah, I think I'll keep that. It's quite a nice pink. This is the mattifying liquid from the Smashbox, so I'll keep hold of that. Then we have this Clinique, and this is well used also. This is a matte in the shade Beauty. Really nice pinky colour, so I will keep hold of that. Then we've got a couple of Colourpop lipsticks. One is just a clear primer, so I will keep that. Then we have Daydream and Can't Wait, which are both mattes. This one, so that is Daydream, and I did think by looking at the colour on the end it would be a lot lighter than it is, but it is quite a dark brown with undertones of pink, but I do quite like it. Then we have Can't Wait, which is kind of a similar colour. In fact, a very similar colour, even though they look completely different in the tubes, but that one's slightly more browner, but I'm still going to keep hold of it because I do like the formula of these. They are so comfortable. Next we have this NYX High Voltage, and this is in the shade... Is that a shade? Oh, there's the shade. Flutter Kiss. This is a nice nudie colour. running out of room on my arm. It's a really nice nude shade, and like more sheer than I remembered, but it is really nice nude, so I'll keep hold of that. Next we have this Wet n Wild Rosebud. I recently found that I can get Wet n Wild products on Amazon for not too expensive, which is great because we can't get it in any stores here. I have only actually used this once and it was a lot darker on the lips than I thought it would be. It's more vibrant on the lips than it is in the swatch, but it's really comfortable lipstick, so I will be keeping hold of that, and I think it was only about £3, which is great. This is just a lip liner, do that there. Then we have these Benefit, they're real. These are the double the lip, and we've got Revved Up Red, Flame Game, Pink Thrills and Lusty Rose. These are something that I got on the plain back from COS, and I thought they were quite a novel idea with the lip liner built in. They're okay, but I don't find myself reaching for them at all because they're a bit of a pain to put on, and I just don't find that they last very long at all. They need topping up a lot, which for a sort of high-end lip product I was a bit disappointed by. Although I have got a friend I was talking to recently and she absolutely loved these, so we'll gladly take these off my hand if I don't want them. I think she's got the Lusty Rose one, so I think that's probably my favourite. So I might keep that one but pass the rest on to her because I know she'll get good use out of them. I'll just swatch them for you. So that's the Lusty Rose one. That's the Revved Up Red. This is the Flame Game. I'm not an orange lipstick kind of person anyway, so I wouldn't find myself reaching for that, but I just don't think you can see the line, the lip liner. You can see it a bit I suppose, but I find after not long, that's all that's actually left. The middle bit seems to fade very quickly, in my opinion. So this one is the Pink Thrills. That's also a bit brighter, than it's more of a fuchsia pink, which is brighter than I like to wear. So I think I'll keep hold of this one, but I'm going to pass these to my friend who will make much better use out of them than I will. So that is all my swatches, and when it comes to lipstick I tend to stick to pinks, a few purples by the looks of it, and nudes. So these are the ones that I'm going to get rid of, and these are the ones that I'm going to keep. So I'm quite happy that's a good handful that I'm getting rid of there. So next I will do my liquid lipsticks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.